Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to speed up Microsoft Edge on Windows 10 or 11. This method will work in both systems. So firstly, open Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots, settings. First one, search here, startup. So you will see here startup boost. Turn on this setting. Second method, search here secure. So search secure DNS. You will see here this option. Now here guys, you will see this setting, use secure DNS to specify how to look up the network address for websites. So turn off this setting. Now close it, click on restart. Search here inet cpl.cpl. Open this setting. Now here click on connections, LAN settings. Now uncheck this automatically detect settings. So uncheck this one. Then click on OK. Now restart your system. So this is the possible ways guys to speed up Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching.